Good news you can use with Deborah Horn, yeah. She got the good news you can use. Good news you can use for your life.
My name is Nathaniel Gibbs and I'm from Durham, North Carolina. I got into real estate investing because I didn't like doing what I was doing before, which was computer security analyst. And I enjoyed real estate investing because I had a few rental properties that I owned, so I enjoyed doing that. Before I got started, I was apprehensive about a lot of things. I was apprehensive about getting the money I needed to do the deals. I was also apprehensive about whether or not I'd be able to do the repairs. When I first purchased the property, it was not only dated, but there was damage everywhere. There was holes in the ceilings, in the walls, there were trash all over the place, and we had a serious termite problem. Total cost of this kitchen was approximately $10,000. We completely gutted the kitchen. We added new countertops, new cabinets, and we added new stainless steel appliances. My concerns about financing was whether or not I could get the financing done in time to close the deals that I had arranged, and also whether or not I could get the money that I needed to close those deals. Do Hard Money provided me a lot of the resources that I needed. They gave me information, they gave me the money that I needed to do the deals, and also put me in touch with the people I needed to be in touch with. I expect to net about $20,000 from this property. I would tell anybody who was interested in getting into real estate investing that Do Hard Money is probably the best place to start with. They've got the information and the products that you need to get going.
Good news you can use for your life. If you wanna get the info that'll help you throughout your life, yeah.